Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Chrome is up to date so blocking behaves predictably. Once done, decide if you'll block a single site or a group of domains. That affects the method. Now open Chrome and navigate to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Site Settings. You need to reach the permissions matrix quickly. Make sure you keep the tab where you'll add entries. This saves time when switching between tools or extensions you'll apply next. Next, pick the method that fits your control level. An extension for easy management, the host's file for device-only blocking, or the router for network-wide blocking. If using an extension, add it, allow the required permissions, then paste each URL or pattern and save. If editing the host's file, open it as administrator, add lines mapping the domain to 127, 0, 0, 1, then save and flush DNS. Transition deliberately. Apply one method, test it, and avoid mixing systems without clear rules. Finish by restarting Chrome and clearing the browser cache so changes take effect. Then test each blocked address, including subdomains, and also check in incognito mode to verify enforcement. If a site still loads, make sure the extension has site access, confirm the host's entries saved correctly, and flush your DNS cache. Router-level changes may require a reboot. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable other extensions and rules to isolate conflicts. This usually reveals the source of the problem.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.